Hey, what's going on, guys? So continuing on with the Adobe Premiere Pro Masterclass tutorials, what we're going to be taking a look at next, just to overall reaffirm a hands-on experience of creating some title graphics within Adobe Premiere Pro, is we are going to be creating a My Name Is, then a Presents title graphic. So it's going to go something like this. It's going to go this clip right here, Jack Cole Presents, or Your Name Presents. Jack Cole is obviously just my name. Please don't be pressured to use my name or anything like that. Then it's going to be a breather clip, and then it's going to be in collaboration with, and then it's going to be a breather clip again, and then it's going to be a logo of a supposed production company. So if you guys actually go to the resources section, you can download my logo for my production company, which is called TQ9, but by all means, if you have your own personal logo, just substitute my logo for that one, and we're going to be walking through how to create this basic title sequence, which would be the actual title sequence I would be creating for a club promo video, regardless of whether we were doing this example or not. So first off, I want you guys to actually go up here to graphics. Go ahead and tap that, go to browse, and just go ahead and drag in a basic title. We could throw that over the first clip, then just go ahead and press C to jump to our razor tool and cut right there, okay? So we can actually go back over to here, okay, back over to here, and just go ahead and delete that one. So we only have this little piece of text here, and then we could go ahead and actually use our shortcut for T to jump up to our type tool, highlight that, and actually just go ahead and write Our Name Presents. So for me, I'm going to write Jack Cole Presents, okay? And once I've typed that, I want you guys to press, I want you guys to highlight the whole piece of text, and then just go ahead and add yourself a nice font that you like. So by all means, add your favorite font. I'm going to add Gotham Bold, throw that into the middle right there, and I'm actually just going to make that a little bigger like that, so it kind of does go across the whole screen. And then I'm going to want to click both of these two, the horizontal center and the vertical center, and that's just going to jump it to the center point that we would want it at. And we have actually successfully created our first title right there, which is looking decent, and we can actually just go ahead and use one of our shortcuts, which we've been learning about in the previous section, by holding Alt and holding Alt on this actual piece of text here, holding Alt and dragging that to the next place where we would want a piece of text. And then we can actually zoom in here because it's not going to be the exact same size. Just go ahead and trim that down so it fits into the block that we want it to fit into. And then just go ahead and actually type in collaboration with. So we're going to type in collaboration and then with. And we actually are going to have to highlight that, go down here to our scale, and just go ahead and drag that in a bit so we can make that fit on the screen. Now that's going to fit on the screen right there, and now so far we're going to have a Jack Cole Presents, a breather clip, then an in collaboration with, and then a breather clip, and then we want to have a logo right there, okay? So without further ado, now let's just go ahead and import that logo that we downloaded before. For me, it's actually just going to be in my production company's actual folder that I have on my desktop, but for you guys, it will be in resources. Go ahead and drag that into your project media file, your project media browser area, and click, hold, and drag that over to that last clip right here. Go ahead and press C, go ahead and chop it at the end, and just like that, in a matter of probably less than 5 minutes, we've gone about creating a basic title sequence with a name presents text, aka for me it says Jack Cole Presents, for you it might say John Smith Presents or Rebecca Miles Presents, or you know what I mean, whatever your name is. And I'm actually going to go ahead and give this a play, and it's going to say Jack Cole Presents, a breather clip, and then oh, my bad. I'm actually going to repeat that kind of process I've been showing you guys about going up to sequence, going to render to in and out, and just giving that a render through to actually give us the smoothest playback, because you see, I really don't want to be lagging when I'm playing that back for you. I want you guys to get a nice hands-on example of what this is looking like. So it's going to say Jack Cole Presents, breather clip, in collaboration with, breather clip, and then TQ9. And that actually right there, in essence, is the exact title sequence I would be creating for this particular type of video. It would be a TQ9 Presents in collaboration with whoever we worked on the video with, and then again, it would be our logo at the end, or maybe even the logo of the promotions company or whatever we made the video for. And that right there, in essence, is a basic beginner title sequence that's actually a real-life title sequence that I would personally be using when creating this type of video production. And obviously there's a different type of traditional title sequence for all sorts of different types of videos. By all means, it's not, a presents like this for every type of video production, but for a promo video, it definitely is. And I think it's cool that we got this hands-on experience by creating this one right here.